coming to you from the future. As of the time of recording, this is the morning after we applied Seal to the entire floor of the bus, both in the cabin area and also in the driver's cab, which is currently behind the camera. You'll have to see that in another clip. Anyway, I am continuing that little brief series of updates. The next thing that we're going to look at is just the weird amalgam of little odds and ends metalwork type projects. Cutting holes in things, putting patches in things, cutting, well, all manner of stuff. Let's take a look at that. Spot right, a couple spots right there. Oh boy, I don't really know how well this is going to get conveyed in video, but I'm very happy with the way the Seal treatment went. We did the entire floor, and oh yep, that just looks beautiful. A little sneak preview, we have some more trim pieces that are getting treated and ready. Here's something you haven't seen in a while. When we first did our test fit for the driver's seat, it turns out that this adapter plate from the original seat was about 3 inches too tall. This sits about 7 or so inches up, whereas a comfortable mounting height for this seat is closer to 4 inches, based on our very scientific system. So I went ahead and zipped this thing off. So it is now 2 pieces. This one's about 4 inches tall. This one is the top. And I'm going to modify the top piece until it fits down entirely. So that's what these little markings are about right now. This is beveled in a little bit for strength and fun purposes, but it prevents the top from slipping over across all 4 corners. So I'm going to notch those out with a grinder and see if I can get this thing to sit down a little bit shallower. In order for the top front piece to fit and slip over, as I'm failing to demonstrate right here, in order to do that, I had to cut a little relief into the base. And so you can actually see this slot right here. I'll see what we did with it on the other side. So I just cut a little bit of an angled notch and then folded this in. And then took the grinder to it to sort of smooth it out so it wouldn't catch anything nasty. But now those should fit A little better. Okay, so pick up here. Right. Short legs. Okay, so that's a little too close. Right about there. I'm gonna love this double armrest situation.
That's great.
This is gonna be so cozy for
Comfort for your long drive back.
long drives. Oh, that's gonna be so nice. Still have to figure out kind of how these guys get set. Love it.
Okay.
Well, there she is. She does look a little bit like it's stacked on a pile of phone books, but we will box this out a little bit and clean it up, I'm sure. There's our plate. And there is actual mechanical connection and a seat installed in a bus. Hey there.
How you doing there, Cage?
Good, good.
All right. We're rolling along here. Almost ready to roll.
You too.
Hi, go.
While we had the grill off, I went ahead and swapped out our headlights. The old sealed beam style guys had this little 3-prong connector on the back, and our replacements had the same thing with a little dongle, so they just plugged right in and popped straight in place. So the low beams are this element and these two vertical elements. So the three of those together make the low beam. The high beam turns on the giant projector and then these two narrow supplemental. So I'm guessing these provide our sharp line across the horizon. This is sort of our filler. And then this is our huge illumination, and this is our like sort of, I don't know, like additional side. I have no idea what I'm talking about here. Anyway, these things are damn cool. I don't know, I think he looks a little bit like a stoned bug. And this is the high beam. All 6 elements on each side are illuminated. That is bright. Oh, what is this? Look at that fancy thing. Oh, that's gonna look so cool with this silver.
Anyway, we'll do a second coat tomorrow.
Okay. okay. I'm convinced. And high beams. Oh, yes. Oh, that's just gorgeous.